Wonderfuls, welcome back. Or if you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm Kayla. Come on in. Today I thought I'd give you a little bedroom tour. Not in a creepy way, just in a I'm very tired from camping all weekend and all I can think about is going to sleep kind of way. And so here are 3 interesting ways that I have repurposed things in my room. The first thing I want to show you is the headboard. And I made this from cutting down an interior door, then wrapping it with a blanket, and then a bed sheet. And I've modified some little metal brackets to fasten it to the wall. And it looks decent enough. The next thing I want to show you are the nightstands. I took an IKEA laundry basket and removed the wheels, then painted it and stained a piece of plywood that I could screw on top. And the wall shelf was definitely the easiest repurpose with the least amount of work. I just used the corner piece from an old computer desk, and it is just fastened to the wall with some drywall anchors. Also doubles as a cat perch. Thanks so much for coming on the tour, and hopefully we'll see you again in the next one.